All right, it's August 22nd, Sunday. Let's go over some more stocks. Let's start with VIPS Holdings. Let's take a look at this chart. Back in 2019, this went as low as, or 2018, like 434. Slow run up, just kept going. Hit a peak of about 24, then dropped down to 16, just below 16. And then in October, this was on a tear from 16 pretty much to 46. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months plus. It was in an uptrend, just kept going up. A lot of these stocks will do that for months, sometimes weeks. And now look at the opposite. Had this big bearish candle here. This took out from like 45 to 36, back down. Went to 26, tried to bounce 35 or 33, and came back down. Look at this. So there's no even good bounces here. It's just on a downtrend. You don't want to buy a stock on a downtrend. Has to prove it's going to go up. Sometimes there bounces. This was a good bounce, but it didn't last. And you look at the weekly, and the reason why is, look at here. October, white over red, completely long play. Then it got overextended above 80. That's overbought, stayed overbought, then came back down. And see, it's been in the downtrend. Now it's completely flat, sideways, 853, very oversold, but oversold can remain oversold. There's nothing changing that right now. Monthly, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish candles and 5, like 5 out of 6. And see this right here, red's over white. This whole move is bearish. Hasn't crossed over yet. It's at 864. It looks like this could be close, getting close to a bottom. Just where's this gonna land? Maybe 10. It's hard to say. There's nothing really that significant here. Just to believe where it's gonna stop. So it just keeps going down. You're gonna have to look at the weekly and monthliness. The bounce here, maybe a little bounce. I don't like it, but this is definitely a bearish pattern going down. And until this changes, it's bearish. Yeah, when it comes back up, this makes big moves. It'll probably come back up, make a really strong move. But look at that monthly. Once you have a monthly crossover, this is going to be bullish for months and months. But right now, it is bearish. So just stay away. There's TAL Educational Group. This is another one that got hammered through the educational space, like the China educational software and all that. This was as high as 90. If I put in my Fibonacci retracement level, put this down. Right here, this was 90 plus back in February, March. Came down, had a bounce, came down again, came down. Look at this, dropping, falling, 25. There's no real moves here. That one move in April was a nice little bounce. That was it. And then you have a gap down now. This is at 529. So this was a $90 stop and dropped to 529. Incredible. Now, weekly, you can see here that 4 little green candles. Everything's been red pretty much. This is flat too. Look at this, 298 stochastics. It's completely buried and going nowhere. The monthly, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 6 bearish candles. This is another one. It's at 354. This is getting close to a bottom, I believe. You're extremely oversold. You're trying to cross now, getting that move. This is diving deep. You can go, like I said before in other videos, you can go to like negative, look at that 530. I don't think I've ever seen that negative though. So you might get a bounce soon enough. This is another one. Keep a watch on this. Keep it there. And look at your monthly and weekly. You can see a gap here, but is it going to come up here? It could. This could move up to 10, 15, but I wouldn't count on it right away. You're going to have to watch like news and stuff. I wouldn't sit here because this could even go further. Not convinced this is the bottom yet either. So, these two plays are definitely, bottom plays. You're going to keep them to the side and, watch for a complete reversal when it happens. It'll happen soon enough. Maybe within the next month or it's this year, but you don't know. It could be a few months. It could be longer. So, these plays, this is learn what a downtrend is. It is high getting lower and the low is getting lower. All right, so that's it for these two. More of a stay away from now. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button, leave comments. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike J Trades. Twits, Mike Cayman Alerts. Instagram, Mike Cayman Alerts. That is it. Peace.